हेलो, आज हम लोग सर्कुलर मोशन फिजिक्स क्लास 11 का वन शॉट में करने वाले हैं, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सर्कुलर मोशन टू द प्लेनर मोशन। इफ अ पॉइंट मूव्स इन अ प्लेन एंड मेंटेन्स अ कांस्टेंट डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम अ फिक्स्ड पॉइंट सेंटर, if a single variable theta is used to detect the position of particle on the circle, then circular motion becomes 1D motion. Circular motion 1D, theta scalar, d theta vector, axial vector, direction along axis. D theta vector instantaneous angular displacement SI on radian. ds vector equal to d theta vector into r vector for anti-clockwise motion. D theta vector is axially outward. Omega vector equal to d theta vector by dt. SI unit radian per second. Direction of omega vector is always same as that of d theta vector. For anti-clockwise motion, both d theta vector and omega vector are axially outward. Angular alpha vector d omega vector by dt. SI unit radian per second square. Alpha vector and omega vector in same direction. Omega increase. Alpha vector and omega vector in opposite direction. Omega decrease. B vector equal omega vector into r vector. H vector alpha vector into r vector. ds equal to r d theta. V equal to r omega. At equal to r alpha. Uniform circular motion UCM. Speed constant V equal to r omega. Omega constant alpha equal to 0. Non-uniform circular motion. Speed variable omega variable alpha is not equal to 0. Alpha equal to 0 UCM. A equal to an equal to v square by r. At equal to 0 r omega square. A vector and b vector at pi by 2. NUCM. Alpha is not equal to 0. An equal to b square by r omega square. At is not equal to 0. At equal to r alpha. A vector and b vector at theta. Tan theta equal to an by at. Circular motion kinematics. Alpha equal to 0 UCM. T equal to 2 pi r by v. 2 pi by omega. Alpha constant NUCM equation of motion. Omega t equal to omega naught plus alpha t. Theta equal to omega naught plus half alpha t square. Omega t square minus omega naught square 2 alpha theta. Alpha variable NUCM. Alpha equal to d omega by dt. Alpha equal to w omega d omega by d theta. 1 rpm equal to 2 pi by 60 radian per second. 2d er cap cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. Et cap minus sin theta I cap plus cos theta j cap. V equal to r omega. A mod at equal to r alpha. Mod an equal to r omega square. Circular dynamics. Application of Newton laws on a particle undergoing circular motion. UCM sigma FR summation FR equal to MB square by R MR omega square. Summation FT equal to 0. NUCM summation FR equal to MR omega square. Summation FT equal to MAT. Summation FR equal to MR omega square. T equal to ML omega square. T becomes the centripetal force. Conical pendulum R equal to L sin theta. Cos theta equal to G by L omega square. As omega increase, theta increase, tan theta equal to R omega square by G. T equal to ML omega square. The resultant force in radially inward direction is called as centripetal force. Summation Fr equal to centripetal force mr omega square. UCM inertial. Summation Fr equal to mr omega square from the frame of particle non-inertial. Summation Fr minus mr omega square equal to 0. Summation Fr minus Fc equal to 0. Summation Ft minus Ft equal to 0. और ये चैप्टर ख़त्म होता है। अगर पसंद है लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। इस चैनल को इतना फैलाइए कि वायरस की तरह पूरा फैल जाए यूट्यूब पे।